Hello SFDC folks, I hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to discuss about a very interesting feature of Salesforce, that it's sending custom notifications to users. So if you see at the right top corner, there is a bell icon which is used to display the notifications which is received for you. So in order to send this as per my purpose or for my functionality, then we need to do this. We can do this via flow. So let's take a scenario that whenever an opportunity is closed, then at that time I need to send the custom notification to the owner of that opportunity, notifying him that see, this opportunity has been closed, please move forward with the formalities and all. So let's start building this functionality. So first of all, what you have to do is you need to create one custom notification type. This is nothing but just letting the flow know that you have to send the notification to either in the desktop device or in the mobile device. This is just the structure of that notification and nothing else. Just save it. Now we'll build the entire functionality using flow. So we need to create a new flow which should be a record triggered one, because as I said, the flow will execute only when the opportunity record is created or updated and its status is closed. So that can be met via record triggered flow. Now see, I have already created a flow. I will just make you go through step by step. So in a record triggered flow, there are these entry criteria that needs to be met in order to proceed further with the execution of the all the elements. So let's see what is in the first one. The first one says that this trigger triggers the flow when a record is created or updated. Okay, in this situation, this flow will trigger. And also, when to run the flow is after the record is saved. So when an opportunity is updated or created and it is saved into the database, then proceed further with the execution of flow. Then the second criteria is upon which objects updation and creation, and what should be the condition of that record. So here we are selecting as opportunity as the object, and the condition will be that the stage name is equals to closed one. As soon as this criteria is met, it will move forward and execute further elements of the flow. So these are the entry criteria of the flow which should be met. Then after that, the execution of the flow will start. The first one is the get records element. What will it do? It will just fetch the custom notification type which we have just created over here. Here, see, we created one custom notification type, and the API name of this custom notification type is for opportunity. So we will use this. Okay, see, the developer name equals this API name of that custom notification type, and it will fetch it. We will use it further for performing the action. So since it is a single record, we have selected this, only the first record needs to be fetched and all the fields of this record. This is done. Now I have used this assignment operator. This is a very important step. And see, before doing this, what we have to do, we need to create one collection variable. Collection variable is a list which I have used to store the IDs of those users to whom the notification needs to be sent. So this is a actually a text type variable which will be a collection type. It is actually list of text values. So this will store the IDs, and that I have done using this assignment operator. What have I done is I have just added the owner of that record. So dollar record is the current record which has triggered this flow, that is opportunity. Then if you open it like this, it will show you the opportunity dot owner ID. That means the owner of that opportunity will be added into this list, into this collection variable recipient IDs. And if you want to send the notification to multiple users, you can add multiple users into this list. Just use this list, then add, and whatever user you want to add, you can directly give the ID of that user as well, whatever the ID of that user is, and then add this into this collection variable. These two things will be used in this particular element, which is the action element. So in order to create this action element, what we need to do is drag this element in the canvas. This will perform the sending of notification action. So under category, select notifications. Then from here, select send custom notification. It will ask for some values to provide which are mandatory and have a certain functionality. So this is nothing but providing the name of this action. You can give anything. So main thing starts from here. So I will just let you know what all things needs to be provided. So first thing is you need to provide the custom notification type ID. That means whatever custom notification you have created, you need to provide the ID of it. So we have already fetched that using get element record. So if you see the name of that get record element, custom notification type fetched, and we just need to provide the ID of it, custom notification type fetched dot ID. This is done. Now the next thing is notification body. What will be the content of that notification? What will it display, the message? So I have just provided the text statement saying that hey, this opportunity has been closed, please move forward. Next is notification title. What will be the highlighted text of that notification? Just like we send in a subject of an email. So I've just used the opportunity's name. So whatever dollar record is the current opportunity record which triggered this flow, and the dot name. This is the name of that opportunity. It will contain the name of the opportunity. Now the next element is, this is why I have created that collection variable. So I will just let you know about it in brief. Recipient IDs column is used to store the collection variable which contains the IDs of those users to whom the notification needs to be sent. So now you will be wondering why I have to create a collection variable, then store those IDs into it and refer that variable into this column. Why can't I directly provide the ID over here? So let me tell you that it will not allow, because it only accepts collection variable. So if you just navigate to current record, then if you want to put the owner ID, then see you won't find the ID field over here. There's nowhere you can find it. Now if you want to be smarter, you will say that I will directly provide the ID of that user only. So suppose this is the user and you want to send a notification to him. What will you do? You will directly provide the ID of it. Now it will not accept again. It will say enter a valid value. This is because this field has been made in such a way that it will only accept a collection variable, that flow variable. So I have already created one collection variable which I have used assignment operator to assign the IDs of those records of those users to whom the notification needs to be sent. So this is it. Now the next thing is, you will be seeing that target ID is not a mandatory field, but I have provided here a value. This is because if you don't provide a value over here, when the customer click on the when the user click on that notification, he will not be able to see where he want to get redirected to. So this is very important. It's you have to provide, otherwise your flow will fail. So what is it? It just contains the ID of that opportunity. So if you click on that notification, it will take you to that record only, which got closed, for which the flow was triggered. So all these you need to provide and then save your flow, activate it. Let's check how it functions. So suppose this is my opportunity, and currently it's in need analysis stage. I will just edit this and mark it as closed. Closed one. Now notice, now you do not have any notification, I mean any current notification. Otherwise there would have been a red numbered symbol that you have one or two pending notifications. As soon as I save this record, see, you got one notification. I will not directly open it now. Let's see that I am in a different page, not in that opportunity at all. And when I open my notifications, I see the highlighted, the title is custom notification demo opportunity. This is the name of the opportunity and this is the message. Hey, this opportunity has been. As soon as I click on it, it will take me to that opportunity record. That's what target ID is. That was the purpose of target ID. I hope this is clear, and thanks for watching.